Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Gonna take a quick look at some cases for the iPhone 12. This is a 6.1 inch version. These cases are made by SUPCASE, the UB style. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we got a few cases here. We got a clear, we got a green color, black, and a purple. Now this is the UB style for the iPhone 12, the 6.1 inch version. You can get this from Amazon or the SUPCASE site. I'll put the link in the description for you. All right. Let's go ahead and get the device and put it inside and see what it looks like. Okay, we got the iPhone 12 right here. Let's go ahead and put the clear one in first. I'm sure this is the one that most people want to get because you want to show your device. So it looks pretty good. You got your clear insert right there. Everything lines up pretty well. Now these are model phones, not real phones. You got your dummy, you got your volume up and down rocker right there, your mute button, and the camera is protected, so no problems there. And you're going to have some pretty good protection overall. The front lip is not too high, but it's enough. You'll separate the screen from surfaces, so you can set it down on the front. But it doesn't, it's not intrusive. It doesn't come up too high. Okay. Feels good in the hand. This is a good size phone right here. I think you'll like this case. All right, let's put the others inside and see what they look like as well. Okay, here's the green one. Here's what it looks like right there. All of these fit the same, but you get a different look each time you put one on, okay? Okay, here's the black. This is my favorite one. You got the little gray insert right there, SUPCASE branding. Everything lines up. No problem there. Okay. Camera's protected there. You got something on the lip there, a little bit on the lip, not too much, but it's there. You got your lanyard open right there. But that's what it looks like on the black version right there for the 6.1 inch iPhone 12. Okay, this is the purple. You got your SUPCASE brand right there in this tab. This is a light lavender look right there. It looks white on this camera, but it's actually a lavender look. But everything is protected there, as you can see. Squared off sides there, you see that. Bottom as well, pretty flat. Okay, feels good in the hand. That's the purple. Okay, so that was a quick look at the UB style case for the iPhone 12. This is a 6.1 inch version. It's made by SUPCASE. I'll put the link in the description for it if you want to get it. If you got any questions, hit up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.